but know that when the going gets too hard, you'll have me in the stars. Far light years away, does someone gaze at the Milky Way? Dream under the stars.
Super nice, I love it.
All right, we're installing lights. She's plugging them in.
Ta-da! Uy.
There we go. And there they are. Christmas lights in September.
Cord is long.
Well, my wife says it's long. I have no idea.
Yeah, see?
So there's, what, maybe 10 feet there?
Yep.
Okay. That's good for outdoors as well. She's going to put them on our tree.
Sit by the bonfire, velvet that drapes over the sky. Talk under the stars, wonder what life be like on Mars.
It's raining.
Whisper, my child. Seasons will fly by and friends will make you cry. The world will change before your eyes. You'll toast with champagne and make many mistakes that will keep you awake late at night. But know that when the